And Eric, wanted to ask you here too, in the context, if you could provide some additional commentary here for us.
One of the things to consider with Office 365 is people confuse the online archiving that Microsoft offers with an actual archive or with journaling, which we'll talk about in a minute. The archiving that Microsoft offers is to expand the size of the data store for the user. It's not an archive for chain of custody or for e-discovery. And certainly the users have access to that archive. They can remove or tamper with that email. So I think people sometimes treat the archive as this repository for the data that's good enough for their archiving needs, when really it's designed to reduce the size of the OST or reduce PSTs from the local user.